Yo, Stickasaurus here, and today we're starting on the final Battle Fever J helmet. Just kidding. It's the final Maskman. I know I say that, but I don't know what order this comes out in. So, my bad if it's not. This might be first. I don't know. But when I joke, it is Maskman X1. Beautiful model by 3D Command Center. Sorry, it looks real creepy right now because I have this tape holding on the eye lenses. Not 100% sure on anything about this helmet. We have a cover for the top little orb part too that will vacuum form. Probably should have printed it a little differently, but we'll see. Awesome model by 3D Command Center again. So if you're interested in this, go check it out. He definitely has it for sale, as well as the rest of the Maskman team. Excited to get this one going. And then we'll have all the Battle Fever J-esque helmets done with this, and with Stay Caesar, with the rest of the Battle Fever helmets, and you know, filler primer, and we'll see how we're looking. So let's get to it. So we are going to touch up a little bit of the black lines, which we touched up a little bit of the white, had to retouch up the black, that's where we're at, and then we are going to try to figure out what's going on in his head there. It's not terrible, it might not be one-to-one, but we're going to figure it out. We do that, get this cleared, and we'll get the lenses printed in resin, and we'll tint the eyes black. The top, I think it's just white, but we'll see. We finally got this dome printed. It's not the prettiest thing. We're currently debating on Twitch right now if we should tint this at all, leave it clear, or what. Don't know what's going to win. I don't know what we're going to decide on. Leaning towards just like a quick with the VHT just to make it a little smoky, as has been described to me. But we're going to do that. We're going to do the eyes. We're just going to use plastic. I tried using resin printing them, and it was the whole thing. So we're just gonna plastic. I think they're gonna be fine. They should be curved enough. Then we'll elastic magnets, and we'll get to the spin around. Oh, we're all lost it, and we'll get to the spin around. There we go. the best. Forget
Forget all your cool extra Rangers. No one cares about Abra Killer, Dino Thunder White. Forget Titanium. Don't even worry about Gold Ranger, King Ranger from O Ranger. And absolutely forget about Tommy, because this is the best 6 Ranger. I mean, I'm sure it was a prototype pretty much for the whole 6 Ranger shtick, but I love it. Maskman X is fantastic. He doesn't belong in Maskman at all. He's definitely, I believe he is a repurposed Battle France helmet of some sort, but I love this thing. He's only like 2 episodes, but I had to make it. It is beautiful. I think it turned out rather well. 3DC did a really good job on this model. And my resin printer kind of let us down with the top dome piece here. But I think the inside turned out rather well. We kind of faked it, made it look good. But other than that, I think it's awesome. This was a felt print, remember? I think we did okay. Again, these whole sides here, from about here up, didn't print, so they're all hand sculpted. And it didn't line up super well. It still quite doesn't. There's just a little gap here, but I think it's okay. I think it's okay. 6 foot away on the shelf, it's going to look great, so don't even worry about it. But I hope you enjoyed this. There is one more special, or maybe 2, like special little extra old show of Sentai Rangers I'd like to do. So look forward to them in the future. I'll let that up to your imagination. But until next time, I'm Stickasaurus. Stay safe.
You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props and Toys, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, working on Helmets Live as well throughout the week. Also check out the Patreon. We have community builds, exclusive videos, exclusive streams, files, all kinds of fun stuff going on over there. And check out the merch store. We have t-shirts, drinkware, mouse pads, whatever you're interested in. It's there with a lot of fan submitted ideas and awesome art. And we have new helmet videos every Friday, so make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you.
Stay safe? What's that even mean? What does that mean? Stay safe. Stay safe. Okay.